Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hey, we're on the countdown to me showing you guys the MR2. It's actually right here. I'm looking at it and it is awesome. I can't wait to work on it again too. I'm gonna start working on it soon. So I'll be filming those videos working on it, kind of like right now. But you guys won't see them probably till the new year, depending on how long I just leave that one video of me revealing and picking up the car. That being said, I want to do a video about the Celica before the end of the year, and what the video that I'm going to be doing today is I want to make for you guys to be able to use my new camera and listen to the VVTLI, so the lift, and the TRD exhaust, as well as that new cold air intake that made 5 or 6 extra horsepower and 10 more torque. I wanted to put that on here because I was actually looking, through old content. There's just such little stuff on Celicas or 2ZZ, so I wanted to make sure that I have good content of why I like the 2ZZ so much. VVTLI is why I like it. I love it. It's like having a built-in turbo. It's amazing. It sounds so good. So what we're gonna do is jump in my Celica. It's cold right now, and it only has like a bar or two of gas. Put a little bit of gas in it, and then I'm gonna find a nice garage, and I'm gonna do some flybys, some rev noises with the intake on it, and then some also exhaust revs. I think you guys really enjoy that, and I like that too. And then I might do it from what it sounds like in the cabin, just so that everyone understands like how much I like the 2ZZ and why I like it. I think you guys will like it. So first things first, let's go ahead and jump in the car, grab a little bit of gas, and then head on out. All right, so as you can see, we're out of gas. There we go. My bucket seats make the airbag light come on, which is unfortunate, but you can disconnect that. Or you can do there's a resistor that you can put on it. So I'll have to do that eventually. So when I come to the gas station, here's your little latch right down here. But I always like to pop the hood, especially if I'm gonna go give it a little couple of revs. So let's go ahead and pop the hood, check the oil, fill up the gas. Oh, look who shows up. That's funny. That's Jack Automotive right there. This is his gang. That's kind of cool. So right on here, always pull it out. I always bring one of my chamois with me. You gotta get one of these guys. Swing by, and then if you use it on the oil, you can always wash it, and then it'll come, and then you can use it. And if you get a little bit dirty, you can wash the oil out of it. It usually leaves a stain, but that's why you gotta get one for dirty jobs and then one for like drying off the car. But let's go ahead and look here. There's the oil level. Let's go back in real quick. All right, so we've made it to a parking garage. I'm gonna go ahead and give it some revs so that you guys can hear it, the intake noise. So we'll do a bunch of intake noises. I'm actually gonna lift open the hood real quick so you guys can hear it. So we'll do that, and then after I do that, I'll do a couple exhausts and then a couple pull flybys so you guys can hear why I love the 2ZZ so much. It sounds so good for a naturally aspirated 1.8 liter. So you now know why that I love the 2ZZ so much. It just sounds so good for a naturally aspirated. One of the best sounding cars once it goes into lift, the VVT-Li, absolutely sounds so good. If you ever get one of these, because they're starting to become more rare, the GTS with the 2ZZ in them, hold on to them. The 6-speed manual, whew, that's so nice. It's a really good time. It's a lightweight car, only weighs 2,500 pounds. And it's just really, really fun. It hooks up, they go, they're fun. It is front wheel drive. I wish they would have made it rear wheel drive. But it is a great car to have. It's a great daily driver, great gas mileage, and just a good time. So this is why I love it so much. TRD exhaust plus cold air intake is just absolutely wonderful on this car. It's a really good setup. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.